If you are a small YouTuber, monetized or not yet monetized, or you're using AI to create videos, please listen. YouTube just made some changes that will stop your channel from being monetized. Even if you have already reached 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to break it down, so stay with me. So, starting from July 15, 2025, YouTube is now removing monetization from videos that are low effort or repetitive. That means if your content is made by AI or you are using, maybe you're copying someone else's videos with no real value, they will not pay you anymore. Before, YouTube had these rules, but now they are really washing and removing people quickly, and a lot of channels are being deleted. Although among those that their channels are going to be deleted because this YouTube is really taking it very seriously. And what kind of videos are going to be affected? You know those videos that just take TikTok compilations and post them, or videos that just AI voice with no human touch, or some even React videos with no explanation. Yeah, all that stuff will not make money anymore. Those stuff suck. Like YouTube is really taking quick actions about that. So you have to be very careful about your channel and what you post. And you really have to make sure that whatever you post on your channel, you have to put your voice on it. Like you have to give value. No matter what faceless or niche you are doing, you have to make sure that it's your voice that you are using to make your voice over, not AI voice over. Or you can pay voice over actors to do the voice over for you if you don't have the time to do voice over, or you're not comfortable with your voice, because a lot of people are not really comfortable with their voice when they speak on camera or listen to their voice. They feel somehow like, yeah. So this is really important. Even if you have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will still remove you from monetization if you fail this policy, if you don't abide with this policy. So what should you do now? Listen, don't panic. If you are just using your real voice, adding your own ideas, giving tips, teaching something, then you are served. YouTube just wants us to be real. You don't have to be perfect. Just be yourself and make videos that help or entertain people in your own way. Let me tell you what you should do right now, okay? Use your real voice. If you're not comfortable with it, with time you're going to be perfect, because each and every one of us are actually unique. But if you have money, you can go ahead and pay voiceover actors. It's okay, but don't use AI voiceover anymore, because YouTube is going to detect it and mutilate your channel and your videos from. And that's done for it. And secondly, don't copy and paste full videos from others. I was going through a channel and I noticed that that channel is actually copying someone else's videos and posting it in his or her channel, which is already one of the very big mistakes that some of us creators should not do that. If you use AI, add your own ideas and voice to it. If you're using AI, add your own ideas. Okay? Give value, explain, teach, show something, and most importantly, be consistent. That's one thing that I, as a content creator, I cannot teach you to do that, because consistency is one of the hardest things that we must face as content creators. It's very hard, and it's not teachable. You just have to make it a habit. Because I myself, I face that a lot. Waking up to make content is not easy. Creating script is easy, making videos is easy, but one of the hardest things is consistency. That's one of the hardest things that we face as content creators. See, YouTube is not trying to hurt us. They just want to stop those fake spammy channels. But if you are a real person showing up and trying your best, you will grow and get better. So don't quit, just do it better. If you want to learn more about content creation, YouTube growth, and monetization, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, Grow with Nazirali. I post great tips just like this one, and you're actually gonna enjoy it. See you. We grow together.